1975 convertible Corvette, doing the rear end. Got trailing arm back in here with bearings all set up. Still got to get leaf spring, strut rods, everything else in here. Over here on the other side, got the trailing arm ready to go back in on drivers. Nice big hole for it. As you can see, did one side with the trailing arm off. Used a spare tire here. Just put the lug nuts through it. Used a spare tire as a vise to hold everything together. And then on the other side, didn't leave it in, put it back in with the new bushings. We wanted to try it different, see if it was a little bit easier. And speaking from experience, if you can remove that trailing arm to get to those wheel bearings and everything, do it. It's worth the effort to get that thing out again. At any rate, 75 Corvette, absolutely nothing except exhaust underneath this guy now. We'll get it back together soon.